Okay, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters. It's so good to hear your comments every time. Thank you so much. Welcome to returning subscribers. You know, I've made my 4,000 watch hour threshold, and now I have to learn how to do the next step. That's part of the YouTube partnership program. So I have yet to learn a few things. Wonder of wonders. And so I got a box and we're going to open it. Now, I opened it enough to take off my address, and I know it's in there. I'm pretty excited. It's from Soft Squares, right, with the pink hearts. Very special. And then inside it's beautiful tissue paper with the stickers. And guess which one it was that I got of those beautiful kits that Lynne does. I got Morningside. I'm so excited. Isn't that beautiful? So she includes the background, the sky, and the green leaves, all the greens that go in that lattice. And so then you pick your own birdhouses and your own flowers. I think that's great. Let me show you the fabrics, okay? So keep this in mind, what we're going to use them for. I'll keep that out. Well, let's open this up here. Okay, we have sort of a lovely spring green. I like that. We have a textured green. We have a little bit darker texture. Different kind of a texture, but it's there. And then we sort of have a spring green weave. And a brighter green little pattern, and a lovely polka dot. I like it. So those are the greens for all this down here, and I assume these leaves along in here too. Now let's look at the background greens. So it's a little pale mint cheetah print, maybe a pale mint and gray star, and a pale mint shadow. And I think that's for these shadowy stars up here in the sky. Pale, you know, gentle colors. Then we have some yellow for the sun over here. It's another piece of that. And then we have some backgrounds and low volumes, and they are beautiful. Let's look at this. So we have a ½ yard of this beautiful thing. It's like an ecru pale with a little bit of a gray sprig of grass. Let me make a stack of those. And this one looks like little taupe colored swirls. And this one is a white linen. Well, not linen, woven, because it has a faint pattern to it. Oh no, it doesn't. It has birdhouses in it. Oh good. It's got white with birdhouses tone on tone. Now that's cute. And then this is little pale leaves. Boy, did she pick some good ones. And then a little tiny blue mint, hidden more towards blue turquoise, but that's great. And then a half a yard of this, which is strawberries embossed on white or off-white. Tone-on-tone strawberries. And what's this one? This one is plain, I think. Like cotton or cloud. And then look at this one. This is gorgeous too. A half a yard of this one. And that is a beautiful background. It's sort of has a gray flavor to it. And then this one is a half a yard of this, and this is, when you look around, this life is pretty amazing. We are all different. We are like snowflakes. Very nice. Good job, Lynne. I like these. And a half a yard of this, which is a woven, white woven. Can you see that at all in there? Probably not. Let's try that light on. Can you see any better? Oh yeah, you can see a little bit of something in there, huh? So that's my fabrics to do the leaves, all the greens and the leaves, and all this background here. So now I get to go pick out my birdhouses out of my stash and my flowers. So I'm pretty excited. This is A+ package. Wow. And the price is right. $108 for everything that I need, the most important parts. Because I don't have a lot of low volume. I have very little, if any. And it's raw edge bloom block applique. Well, I don't know if I'll do it raw edge or not. I may do it like Lori Holt taught me to do in Jane Austen. I've made plenty of raw edge, and I don't necessarily like how that looks. So I might just do turned over the edge or sewn shapes and then turned inside out shapes. We'll see what I decide to do. Hard to know. But this looks like fun. And the little birdies are so cute. And then here is some templates for the birds and the leaves and the birdhouse holes and so it requires 5 yards of light background, and that's what we got, 5 yards. Well, I could count it. I would think that she put 5 yards in there. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So she gave us 10 yards of background fabric. Beautiful selection of those. 2 yards of greens. I'm sure that there's 2 yards there. 1 1/4 yards fabric scraps for flowers and birds. Well, that's what I'm going to find in my stash. And then these are the various light blue scraps for the stars and upper border strip. So that's what those are. Again, lovely choices. And then this is for the, oh, nice, Lynne. The center of the sunshine is this textured stuff, I think. And then the star points are going to be the gold. So it has a little bit of a two-tone. Wow. I think that Lynne has a very good talent for picking what is going to look good. And I can't wait for the next mystery quilt because I'm going to buy it. I feel like I should kick myself for not getting this last one, but there's going to be another one, hopefully. So my neighbor Gail made the mystery quilt, finished it up a couple of weeks ago, and it's at the long arm right now, getting all doodahed up. That's going to be gorgeous. All right, so that is my box from Soft Squares, and I've got another one coming. I don't know what has gotten into me, but I got onto that live sale on Monday just at the last few minutes, and I just said, I just did it. So I think I thought I was getting a $15 item, but turns out that I'm getting all of the $15 items that make a quilt for $165. But I did like all the items, so I'm sure I'm going to be very happy with it. All right, so that's it for Soft Squares box opening for Dixie Quilters. And thank you. Have a good weekend. Bye now.